Sorry. Wait, sorry about that, people. Joey the rat. Joey the loser. Joey the pigeon. Sneeze. Bro, you just don't stop, bro. You really just don't stop. You think coming on here and just telling another lie after a lie, like people will believe it more now. I've never ever seen anybody like you, man, that just thinks it's cool to just keep lying and lying. Bro, I have never seen somebody like you, man. You lying about, oh my God, talking about your girl said this, your girl said that too, said you this is amazing, this and that, but she don't want nothing to do with you. Nothing to do with you. Now, how does that work here? This chick don't want nothing to do with you, but she's telling you that she trusts everything you say and do for her. After you literally sat there and lied on her, saying that money you gave her, she used it on drugs and stuff. Stop lying so much, man. I've never seen anybody like you, man. You lie so much. Don't nobody want you. Don't nobody remotely want your sorry butt. You just ain't catching the hint. You just think it's just okay to keep lying on somebody. Bro, you lie so much. I mean, it's like I truly see now. You lie. You are going to keep lying until somebody see you in public, aka me, and pound the F out of you, man. Because the only thing you do is lie. You lie about everything you say and do, bro. You know, god dang well, man. I heard the dumbest thing ever. You literally just said trillionaires don't show $100 bills. So trillionaires show dollar bills? You see how stupid your lives are getting? Your lives are getting so dumb that they're not even making sense anymore, bro. You tell me that. How can somebody's lies get so bad that you can't even, I don't even think you can keep up with the lies anymore, to be honest with you. You literally said trillionaires don't show $100 bills, but trillionaires that show $1 bills look like you just got out of work from Denny's. You got tips. So please, keep me in on that. Please get Mr. Mom with Wrench, or Mr. Willy Wonka, or Joey the Rat. What's character you want me to start calling you by? Because obviously your butt is never going to stop lying. Bro, you are broke. You don't have no mansion. Bro, stop lying. You have no cars. You have no cars. You have nothing, bro. Nothing. The faster you get that through your idiot head, the quicker your butt gonna get your tail whooped. Because I'm never gonna stop. Especially with all that racist crap you be pulling. Bro, you gonna get it, bro. Flat out. So you better take it like a man, because it's coming, bro. And I remember all these little empty threats you have been trying to dig at. You're not, bro. You are going to catch a butt whooping like no other butt whooping on this planet. And you know what, bro? You are going to pay like no other, bro. I'm telling you straight up, bro. Telling you straight up. Because you deserve it more than anybody. You and my mother-in-law, y'all two racist pricks is going to get it, man. I promise you that, bro. Promise you. Talking about people mad at your success. What success? What, getting into your room at what, 11 o'clock instead of 12? Get the F out of here, man. Hey, you have absolutely nothing that anybody will say, ugh, I wish I had that. Nothing, bro. I'm going to say it again. You have nothing in your life that anybody will want. What? Those disgusting looking rings that they're literally are so fake, bro. So fake. Anybody else would have seen those rings, they'd automatically start scratching their hand because they'd have been, man, that's so fake. God, as soon as I put that in, they got to amputate my finger because it would turn my finger so green. Bro, it makes it funnier than anything. You are literally flashing a woman's ring and that big gaudy ring you were. Do you know, bro, that ring was real? Your butt would already been robbed. Everybody, you look so dumb with it on. Bro, do you understand? Understand? Nobody believes you. Nobody. Nobody believes anything that comes out of your mouth, bro. I'm just gonna say it to you, bro. Don't nobody believe anything that comes out of your mouth. Nobody. The quicker you understand that, the better your life's gonna start being. Bro, you are a homeless dude walking around with a necklace that is so fake. Even Stevie Wonder could see it. That the thing is fake. And if it's so real, you got it all balled up in your little book bag of yours. And you're scared to wear it out and about because you're scared somebody go beat you down and take it from you. So you know you can't fight. So just keep it real here, bro. You are scared to wear that fake, gawky looking necklace. Flat out. You're scared to wear it because you know. You're a little pussy and you're scared you're going to get robbed. And you know what? You better stop going back and forth saying, oh yeah, I'm a man. Because I think just a couple of days ago, you was like, I'm a boy. And I'm always going to stay a boy. I'm always going to say I'm 30. I'm going to be a little boy all my life. Then you came out with that stupid lie about Jesus. Jesus said he was a boy too. Yeah, okay. Yeah. There you go again. 1 second you all I'm atheist and God is the devil. Oh, but you sitting here already talking about God said it. See, I know what it is now. It's all about convenience. It's all about convenience. If you need to make a point, you Jesus' right hand man. Oh, but when somebody confront you, you say, "Oh, Jesus ain't real. Jesus ain't real." I guarantee you're sorry, but if somebody pointed a pistol at your head, you'd be like, Jesus, please save me, Jesus. Please, Jesus, please don't let this guy kill me. See how that work? Slum bag. See how that work? You such a pussy that you would like literally say you are everything. You're anything they want you to be, as long as they don't kill your little soft butt. Little soft as a bag of sugar. Little pussy boy. That's all you are, bro. You just straight up pussy. There ain't no secret about it, bro. You are nothing but a pussy boy. Nothing more, nothing less. So you the quicker you understand that, the quicker your punk butt need to get out, stay off of YouTube. I mean, bro, you just don't get it. You don't have no friends whatsoever, bro. Not one. You have no friends whatsoever. I mean, is it lying? We never see you with friends. We never see you walking with anybody or talking to anybody. So, once again, you are a nobody. You are a lowlife. You are the skid marks of society. Bro, you just make people's lives so miserable the moment they say your name. Bro, you're just a colossal pussy. Wow, you a colossal pussy. Sometimes I have to literally look you up to make sure you are real. Because I have never in my life seen such a pussy than you. And I was like, no BSing, bro. Because you literally have, what do you have? You can't fight. You terrible at rapping. And then to make it worse, you steal people's music, you steal their lyrics, and then try to pawn them off as yours. I have never seen that in my life. A person that steals people's beats. You steal people's music, bro. Then, if that ain't crappy enough, you still be trying to talk bad about people. About artists that made it, that got 10 times better than anything you can even dream of. But like you are such a miserable maggot of a person. Instead of giving love, you give nothing but hate. Hate. That's why I always will say about you, bro. You'll be that person that will start a riot and then hurry up and run away for your sorry, worthless butt won't get caught. Because you know you to be the main one that started it. Started the riot. And you ain't no stand-up person to be like, oh, that's my fault, sorry. No, know what you'll do? You'll hide. And then try to get tough somewhere. Like, that was me. I did. Knowing darn well you did it. Knowing darn well you You are a bona fide SOB, man. That you know people who found out that it was you, you would be scared and run and get your tail whooped by whoever started it. You were just such a sorry excuse, man. That's why I enjoy doing this to you. You will always be you. Be you and only you. Because you just don't care, bro. You don't care what you do. You don't care what you say, what you do, as long as you're getting what you want. It's the only thing you worry about, bro, is getting yours. And I mean, it's like you just don't want to get it to your thick loser head. I truly don't think that bro like you, bro. She don't like you, man. She you know, she pretty much like told you. I mean, hell, boy, you be wanting, you think too. She thought we back together, bro. You are a nasty, nose picking, no sense of pride, no sense of morals, nowhere in your body or soul. Bro, you so pussy that you had to fake, and you still faking, having fans. Oh yes, people. This loser has started accounts for two different people trying to act like they are fans of his. Oh yes. This hardcore fagula don't even got the balls to have his own build up his fan base the right way. The fagula got a fake accounts, fake fans, and the names are Mom with a wrench, and Willy Wonka. And I think he got another one. I ain't even sure. But trust me, people. Y'all go back and look at when he go live. He is typing. And notice this these fans of his. I mean, this idiot couldn't even tell herself, okay, only way I can get caught is if I try to act like too much. But no. The loser did what I knew he would do, and that's what made it so easy to catch him. Is this dude made his fans, these two fans, act like he was godlike, to the point where it was like I started being like, dang, bro, are you kidding me? Because I even made a joke about it like a couple weeks ago when I was like, this fan said, fair not to be, the loser says, Tyree, only thing I love to do is come home, turn your music on, pour me a glass of wine, and just listen to you. Because you know how to speak, and you just the greatest. Yeah, I was like, at first I was like, Jesus, man, this chick is this naive and dumb. Does she think Tyree, the nose picking, disgusting bum loser that literally don't know what work smart, not harder means? Really, this dude don't even know what that means. And this chick was talking about pouring a glass of wine and listen to some Tyree sneeze. I'm like, wait a minute, what song did she listen to that she'd love to pour a glass of wine and drink? What, Cannibal Hawk? Oh, Cannibal Hawk, Cannibal Hawk. Y'all don't want the Cannibal Hawk? I'm like, the Cannibal Hawk, baby. But then I'm like, so he think it's cool to write about a Cannibal Hawk that literally walking around now, killing his own hawk people, killing them and eating them. I said, so I guess that's the sexy talk right there. I'm like, wow. And that's how I finally figured out, like, this dude is a liar. These fans ain't real. And I swear, I had to, like, I'm like, I know this jellyhead didn't stoop that low. You know, I'm like hoping and praying he didn't stoop that low. But Lord, he keep giving me material. And it's pretty easy to figure out too once I started like digging a little deeper. This people, I can't make this crap up, man. Cannot make it up. He is a colossal idiot. Mad at his success. So I guess people that got jobs, people that make money, people that pay their bills and pay their rent is so upset because Tyree got a better life than Joey the Rat got a better life than us. Yeah. So I guess we wanna go from hotel to hotel, or be an idiot. Go out to eat. Go out to eat now. And says, and I quote, now mind you, before I say this, the dude haven't worked in almost 4 days. 4 days almost. And this dude says, I have to take a break. I've been working my butt off, so I needed to take a break. You work at Labor Ready. You don't got no real job. And then on top of that, you haven't worked in 4 days. And you go out to eat? And then you get back on your little YouTube with two of your only two fans and talking like you're just so strapped and so overworked that you needed to take a break. You know, that is, if that ain't a classic American, I don't know what is. This dude literally goes out to eat for needing a break from sitting in the hotel room all for 4 straight days. Wow. You can't make this stuff up, man. Cannot make it. I remember him one time trying to bash a female because she said she would rather save her money and invest in stocks and bonds for when she get older, maybe get hurt. She got to worry about nothing. She got money put up for a rainy day. This pear-shaped loser says, "That ain't no. That's stupid. That's stupid. That ain't no real money. I got real money. Look, I got real money. No, you just mad because you broke. You broke." And then to top it off, as she's saying she broke, she counts out almost like $2,000. And what did the pear-shaped loser count out? Lint balls and excuses. That's the only thing he counted out. So it's like people. I have to be real clear. I'm only staying with this loser beating him down because he don't want to apologize to all the people he wronged, all the racist crap he put out there, all the belittling of women. He's doing it like with a smile too. That really burned me up. See, people, when you got a daughter and a wife, and you've been in their life from day one, your kids, and you hear a colossal pussy prick like him talking down on women, that burns me up. And I ain't one of these dudes that's real feminine and this. No, I ain't with that crap. That's I ain't no pillow biter, flat out. I ain't no pillow biter. I ain't no peanut butter chaser. That's just not me. Now, Joey the Rat. Actually, I never seen a man with a tramp stamp. I think that's telling me something. I think he's some dude probably told him to get that on his back because every time he banging his butt, he want to see it. Because I really don't have no meaning, no reason of why a grown man would have a tramp stamp on. I don't know. I really don't know. But until next time, you lovable loser, prick, keep being nasty, keep digging up your nose, broski.